channel, your ultimate destination for everything related to home decor art. A place where creativity, beauty, and design come together to inspire your lifestyle. We believe that a home is more than just four walls, it is a reflection of personality, culture, and emotions. Through the art of decor, every space can be transformed into a warm, inviting, and stylish environment that speaks directly to the heart. On this channel, we bring you inspirational ideas, dye projects, stylish tips, and decor trends that make home decoration simply enjoyable and achievable for everyone. On this channel, we bring you inspirational ideas. You will find a wide variety of contents to spark your imagination, including dye decor, art and crafts, step-by-step guides to create unique wall hangings, paintings, table decor, and personalized art pieces that add character to your home. Room transformation ideas, inspiring before and after makeovers for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and more, proving that even small changes can make a big difference. Creative ways to decor walls with paintings, murals, gallery, frames, or modern designs that instantly uplift the vibe of your home. Practical and affordable tips to achieve a luxurious look without spending too much. Special themes for holidays, weddings, Eid, Diwali's, Christmas, or any celebration, bringing festive energy into your home. Insights into the latest global decor trends, textures, and color combinations keep your home stylish and updated. Our philosophy is that home decor should be a joyful process, not a stressful one. That's why we share simple techniques and easy to follow tutorials that can everyone try, regardless of experience. Whether you are passionate about the modern minimalism, rustic charm, vintage elegance, or bohemian freedom, we provide inspiration to suit every taste. We also focus on practical decor solutions because a home should not only look beautiful but also function smooth. From clever storage hacks and organizing tips to the lighting setups that set the perfect mood, our content helps you balance style with comfort. By subscribing, you become a part of a growing community of decor lovers who share a passion for turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary works of art. Here you will find motivation, encouragement, and plenty of creative ideas to design a home that truly feels like your own sanctuary. So, if you are looking for ways to add beauty, harmony, and creativity to your home, you have come to the right place. Subscribe now, explore our videos. Thank you so much, dear friends.